What's up, guys? Macho back with another video. Been a little bit since I recorded, probably about a week. Just been chilling, relaxing this last couple days until I gotta go back to work. Currently on my way to Myers right now. Go get some eggs, come back, make some breakfast. It is Kaylin and Phoenix's birthday today, so cook breakfast for them. Probably go back out to the store later, get some stuff to make cake later for Phoenix. Probably going to walk. Pretty much it so far. Just pretty much getting up. That's what we're doing right now on the way to Myers, so stay tuned. Just getting to Myers, looking at getting Kaylin some flowers real quick for her birthday. About to go head back, get these eggs, and then head home. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is a little later now. Currently in my basement. About to organize this, get this all picked up and whatnot. And then that's the bike that I'm going to be rebuilding. Maybe I'll get to that today, but you guys will see that in a future video. So probably set the camera up and just clean up a little bit, so stay tuned. Guys, got it pretty much cleaned up, garbage, and got it organized. What I eventually want to do is have like a little area work on the bikes down here, but as of right now, that'll do. Like I said earlier in the video, I was planning on going to the store, get Phoenix a cake and stuff, but my mom is coming over, dropping off some dinner and dropping off a cake for him. So that's probably just what we're gonna do, probably just chill in the house and stuff. So most likely bring this upstairs and start building on this and show you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, got the bike brought up. That's the other bike I'm going to be taking parts off of. I only really need the tire and chain. Then I got handlebars over there I'm going to be switching over. And probably be throwing on a different stem too. But let's start with getting this back wheel off so I can get this tire and get the back wheel put onto here. Got my trusty butter knife. this chain off. Chain's a little rusty, but I only need a link or two. I just got the chain installed. See about changing this stem. You guys think I should leave the white stem? I put the black stem on there. Y'all let me know in the comments, but for now I'm switching to the black. Got these super big honkers I'm going to be putting on here. I got the handlebars installed. I gotta take these grips off and this brake lever. Give you guys a little hack to taking these grips off. Take a butter knife, put a little bit of soap on there, get it wet, and just slide it in. And then just start turning until it gets loose. And there you go. Alright guys, came into a little dilemma. I gotta head to the bike shop so they can snip the brake cable and brake housing. I don't have no cable cutters or nothing like that, otherwise I'd do it myself. That's what we're doing right now. Headed there real quick, so stay tuned. Alright guys, just finished it, got it all put together. Was gonna go take it out for a test drive, but it is raining, so we're gonna have to do it tomorrow. Give you guys just a little overlook. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Probably gonna take it for a little test drive, go for a little spin, make sure everything's dialed. But that's gonna do it for today. So stay tuned for tomorrow. All right, guys, it's currently the next day from when you see me build this up. About to take a little cruise, a little test ride, make sure everything's good. It definitely has been a little bit since I've gotten out to ride. Just been busy with life, kids, appointments and all that, so. But we're going out today to test out the GT World Tour. It is a rim brake bike. Haven't rode rim brakes in a while. Used to disc, so we'll see how it goes. See if I can get comfy on it. Ended up rebuilding this yesterday. Everything's pretty much stock. Besides the handlebars, different tires. Probably eventually get a new brake lever, as this one's kind of old. I took it off an old bike. Yeah, this bike really comfortable. A little smaller than the Throne, but I feel comfy on it. Everything on this bike feels pretty smooth. Must admit, I'm liking the rim brakes too.
Oh, man.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Rebuilt my old GT. Got the Theory seat posts. I got super big honkins. Probably the only thing I'd replace are the brake pads and the brake lever. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. You guys like what you see, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe, turn your post notifications on, that way you're notified every time I drop new videos. Other than that, peace.